Hi, so this is the complete video I have created on hyperlink feature in Adobe InDesign. So here I am going to share with you creating hyperlink for URL, file, pages and email in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started and learn step by step. So as you can see, I have opened Adobe InDesign blank document. For instance, I want to add hyperlink on this text. Simply I will select it and click right. Here you can find the option of hyperlink. Simply have to click on new hyperlink. Okay. Once you click on this, you can find this complete hyperlink panel from where you can adjust and manage the properties of hyperlink. Okay. So currently I am creating hyperlink for URL. Simply have to keep it selected. And here you can provide the destination of website or URL where you want to redirect after clicking. Okay, so this is my channel and just copy it and simply have to paste on the destination. Okay. Now we have just provided this link. That means if I will click on this text, so it will redirect me on my channel graphics. Okay, keep it check only. And here we have character styles. Okay, so from here you can define different type of character style for URL. Currently you can see it's applied hyperlink. If you want any specific style, so you can also define from here something like this. So just keep it unchecked and click OK. Okay, now you can see Halli graphics link that we have defined style recently that has been applied on this text. Okay. Next we have option PDF appearance. So what you want to visible. Okay. Here we have option visible rectangle and invisible rectangle. So if I will keep it visible, simply have to click on this and from here you can adjust the properties of this rectangle. Like you can change the color, you can adjust the width of the rectangle, and from here you can simply adjust the style of the rectangle. Okay, something like this. So just I will keep these all properties applied on this text and simply I will click on OK. Now you can see on this text we have created hyperlink. Okay, similarly we can also create hyperlink for file, email, page. So just I'm going to create hyperlink on these all text also. Okay, so just keep on watching how I am creating hyperlink for file. As you can also change this character style from here, and also you can keep it none. Okay, and if you want you can also create multiple character style from here. Okay, so it's totally up to you. So just I will keep it hyperlink only and click OK. Okay, so next we have to create hyperlink for page. Okay, simply I will click here again and hyperlink. Okay, now just once you will select page, so you can see here destination, document, page, zoom setting. Okay, so currently document we have open only untitled one, so it's selected already. And if you want to another document, if you want, so you can also browse from here. Okay, so just I will keep it selected and from here you can give the page number where you want to redirect. Currently you can see we have totally 5 pages. So if I want to redirect on page number 4, simply I will select page number 4 from here, and you can set the zoom setting how you want, fit view or fit in window, fit width or fixed, something like this. So you can use it. So just currently I will keep it fit view and simply I will click on none. Now you can see it will be as it is how it was already. Okay, so just I will keep it none, and we have done all the things. Simply you have to click on OK. So currently you can see I have already created hyperlink on URL, file, email as well as pages. Okay, so as you can see here all the hyperlink we have already created. Okay, similarly if you want to create hyperlink on any type of object or images or shape, so you can also do it from. Simply have to select your object or shape in which you want to create hyperlink and right click, and here you have to select new hyperlink. Okay, and you can also just I'm giving URL only here, so simply I will select it and paste here. Okay, now you can see hyperlink also has been created on this shape. Okay, now hope you got understand how to create hyperlink on any type of object or text in Adobe InDesign. Now I am going to show you how we can edit or remove any created hyperlink. Okay, so for editing, simply select your object or text and right click, and you can edit from here as well. Apart from this, I will show you the complete panel where you can find all the properties of hyperlink from where you can simply edit and remove your hyperlink. Okay, so for that, simply have to click on Windows, and here you can find the option of hyperlink. Okay, once you will click on that, so you can see the complete panel of hyperlink. Okay, so and you can see all the list of hyperlinks that we have created on the page. You can see here, and whichever you want to select, simply have to click on the source or select the hyperlink, and if you want to delete it, simply have to select that and click on the delete button. Once you will click on the delete button, and you can simply delete it. Okay, similarly, if you want to edit any type of hyperlink, simply have to click on the hyperlink that you want to edit, and simply have to click on this flyout button, and you can find the other options related to hyperlink, and where you can see edit hyperlink. Simply have to click on this, and you can edit the hyperlink from here. And simply you can edit your hyperlink properties as well as content that you want to modify, and after doing that, you can simply click OK. Now the hyperlink you have created has been updated. Okay, so this is the way for editing or removing hyperlink. Next, we have to see how these all hyperlinks exactly work. So for instance, I want to check my file is working properly or not. Simply have to click on this. You can see here the file has been opened, which link I have provided. Similarly, you can also check the URL that you have provided. Okay, you can see this is my channel link I have provided that has been opened. Okay, so if you are new on my channel, so you can subscribe my channel for Adobe InDesign related tutorial and videos. Okay, similarly, you can also check the page, so simply have to click on the page. Okay, so you can see here it has been redirect on the page destination which I have provided. Okay, so this is something you can check out, and now I'm going to export the document and show you there how it should work. Okay, now you can see the document has been exported, and you can see here all the hyperlinks is active which we have created in Adobe InDesign. So simply for checking, you have to simply click on that. You can see it's working properly. Okay, you can check the file. Similarly, you can also check the email is properly working. Okay, so hope you enjoy and learn something in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful Adobe InDesign content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.